Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Mahadev sketch using an easy method. First, let's start with the foundational shapes. Begin by lightly sketching a circle for the head and an oval for the torso. These basic forms will serve as your guide. Next, draw a central vertical line and a horizontal line across the face to help place the eyes, nose, and mouth symmetrically. This initial step is crucial for establishing correct proportions and a balanced composition for your Mahadev drawing. Now let's bring Mahadev's face to life. Using your guidelines, carefully draw the almond-shaped eyes, a prominent nose, and a gentle smile. Don't forget the iconic third eye, positioned vertically on the forehead, just above the brow line. Next, sketch the flowing, matted hair, often depicted with a crescent moon nestled within it. Add the distinct trishul mark on the forehead, a powerful symbol, ensuring all features align harmoniously for a serene expression. Moving on to the body and divine attributes. Outline the strong, yet serene neck and shoulders extending to the arms. Now carefully draw the coiled snake around his neck, often depicted with a hood. Add the sacred Rudraksha beads, typically numbering 108, around his neck and wrists. In his hands, sketch the damaru, a small two-headed drum, and the powerful trishul, or trident. These elements complete his iconic appearance, conveying his divine presence. Finally, let's add depth and bring your Mahadev sketch to a polished finish. Begin by applying shading to create dimension, focusing on areas like under the chin, around the hair, and within the folds of the snake. Use gentle cross-hatching or blending techniques for smooth transitions between light and shadow. Carefully refine all your outlines, making them crisp, and erase any initial sketch lines that are no longer needed. Consider adding subtle details, such as ash marks or a hint of the Ganges flowing from his hair, to enhance the divine aura.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.